how to pipe command output to other commands? Example. ls echo prints nothing, a blank line. Actually, I'd expect it to print a list of files. ls grep foo, on the other hand, works as expected, prints files with foo in their name. What I do in these situations is something like ls while readout do echo $out done, but this is rather cumbersome. Why does piping work with some commands, but not with others? How can I circumvent this issue?
There is a distinction between command line arguments and standard input. A pipe will connect standard output of one process to standard input of another. So, connect standard output of ls to standard input of echo. Fine, right? Well, echo ignores standard input and will dump its command line arguments, which are none in this case, to its own stout. The output, nothing at all. There are a few solutions in this case. One is to use a command that reads stin and dumps to stout, such as cat. Will work, depending on what your definition of work is. But what about the general case? What you really want is to convert stout of one command to command line args of another. As others have said, zargs is the canonical helper tool in this case, reading the command line args for a command from its stin and constructing commands to run. You could also use the substitution command $to do what you want. Both of these tools are pretty core to shell scripting. You should learn both. For completeness, as you indicate in the question, the other base way to convert stin to command line args is the shell's built-in read command. It converts words as defined by the ifs variable, to a temp variable, which you can use in any command runs.
ls echo prints just a blank line because echo reads no input. The last command of the pipeline is actually echo that prints nothing but a blank line. Generally, makes sure that the output of A become the input of B. I suggest you to read the pipeline section of man bash. If you really want to use ls and echo together, here's some pretty useless examples.
If you want to echo the ls command, try. This will call echo with the output of ls.
Why not simply use? Or much safer.
If you want more supportive data, please consider subscribing.